Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed can grow into a towering tree or a vibrant flower? Today, let's explore the incredible process of seed germination and plant development. Seeds contain an embryo, which is the young plant, along with a food storage tissue called the endosperm. When the seed is exposed to the right conditions, such as moisture, warmth, and oxygen, the embryo begins to sprout. Research shows that the first stage of germination is the absorption of water by the seed. This triggers the activation of enzymes that break down the stored food, providing the energy for the embryo to grow. As the embryo develops, it produces a root that grows downward, anchoring the plant in the soil. Simultaneously, the shoot grows upward, pushing through the soil and reaching towards the sunlight. Fascinating, isn't it? With the right conditions, a seed can transform into a thriving plant, providing food, oxygen, and beauty to our world. Let's continue to marvel at the wonders of nature.